Hey guys, and welcome to Codeplay. I'm Tolu Akinyotun, founder of Codeplay and game programmer. Today I'm starting a beginner series on C# fundamentals. So, it will be simply explained with easy to understand videos, and in the end you will understand programming fundamentals like variables, functions, conditions, and much more. Now you might be asking, why should I learn C# anyway? If you're someone like me who likes prototyping and developing games and love what I am doing, C# will help you a lot in making game mechanics like player movement, enemy AI, spawning, player attack, and so much more. So that's it for the intro, and expect the next video later this week. So if you don't want to miss out, I urge you to subscribe, click on the bell button for notifications on new videos. Leave a like and comment down below, and I'll see you later. Enjoy!